Hey guys, welcome back, and she's gonna tell you what she's about to do.
I wasn't actually gonna yell, I was faking it. So I got 3 bones. These are huge bones. My mom got them.
Here, come give us a close-up.
We're going to try and test. We got 3 bones, different colors. Meat. Wait. This is not meat. This is meat. Don't know what this one.
This thing that's veggies.
Probably. They're probably vegetables. We're gonna put them in the box.
We're gonna see if he can attack it to get the treats.
Let's see if he's smart enough. And in the comments, if you see that he's dumb, then he's dumb. He might be a smart dog. So
You guys say if he's dumb
he's
or...
a lab retriever. Okay. He's mixed with something, but I don't know. Okay, hold the dog back. Okay.
Hey, Finley, come here.
5,
Come here, buddy. Say hi.
3.
Say hi to YouTube.
1. Got him.
Finley, look.
Get the
No,
box.
go get the box.
Well, it's a birthday present.
No, it's a Christmas present.
Yeah. Well, it's almost a year, and he was,
See? It's in the box.
he tries to find it.
And he's trying to get it.
Man, he is a dumb dog. Maybe we should get out of the way, okay?
You know what? Open it, let him see it, then close it real quick.
Finley, look.
Finley, look.
Look.
Now close it.
Now I think he knows it's in there. Now he really wants it. Look, Finley, it's flat. You can bite it and take it off and eat it. You are a dumb dog. I'm just gonna walk away. See what happens.
You're dumb, Finley.
He's a dumb dog, dumb lad. Oh, he hears us saying it. Oh, he's getting smart.
Oh, he almost got it, guys.
Oh, he's a smart dog.
He got it. He got it.
Good job, Finley.
Woohoo!
He only grabbed one of the treats. Finley, you know the word.
Isn't he a smart dog, guys?
Test 2. Test 2.
Let's test 2.
Test 2 is when you try to do something else. We're gonna put an ice cube in here too. He loves ice cubes. Trust me. Here. Look.
Yes,
Finley.
it's true, guys. He does love ice cubes.
Finn, I got an ice cube.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. This will probably go up on Christmas.
Finn.
This is his Christmas present.
Look what I got! I got ice. Look at him. Eat the ice. Okay, we should give him one. Look, trust this, guys. He loves ice. Put it in. I put a lot of ice. So 2 treats and a lot of ice.
Let's see. Wait, show us again. We didn't get to see that much. Hold it there for a second. Okay.
Got it?
And there's Destiny. Destiny, we are seeing if your dog is a smart or dumb dog.
He was smart. He was smart for the first.
No wonder you don't have one. Because it fell off.
Test 2, go.
Can you stop messing with him? Jesus Christy.
Don't worry.
Jesus Christy.
Messing with him.
She's crazy.
Damn, boy.
We have 3 tests. This is test 2. Ooh, he's trying to bite. He's licking it.
What?
He's trying to bite it to open it. Smart. Finley, keep going. Keep going, Finley.
Well,
What?
damn, boy.
Look, guys. Look at her thing. Dab.
Almost did it. Dude, look.
Dab.
He was about to open
Oh,
it.
waste of time. Since when do you dab the space, okay? Let's see the end on there. Did you use my glitter glue?
Maybe. He did it. Look.
Adam, don't use my stuff without asking, okay?
All right.
Good boy.
Let's see what he did.
Good boy.
Let's make it wet and put something else in here.
Yep. What are we putting in there now?
Okay, can you?
My name is Chris
Can you put down the
Dinkeldorf,
phone? I have to tell you something.
and I am the WWF champion.
Dude, I have to tell you something.
What? I can't. Okay, guys,
I slipped on my ice.
you probably didn't see that, but she just fell.
I slipped on my ice cube. I slipped on my ice cube.
Show them how you fell. Show them how you fell. Do the exact same thing. Don't say anything.
Over here. I slipped on a tiny piece of ice cube. How did that not break? Okay. Go clips. Okay, we're still going?
Yes, we're still going. or something. Hey, Finley.